has 5 kids.
Yeah.
He's named him 10, 20, 30, 40. What's the name of the 5th child? Larry's father.
Larry's father has 5 kids.
Yeah. 10, 20, 30, 40. What's the name of the 5th child?
50.
No.
Come on.
0.
Come on. Think about what you're saying.
Larry's father has 5 kids. He's named them 10, 20, 30, 40. What's the name of the 5th child?
20, 30, 40.
This is Larry's father, by the way.
No. Oh, mate, it's pissing me off. I can't do it.
Come on, think. Larry's father has 5 kids. 10, 20, 30, 40. What's the name of the 5th? And we're talking about Larry's father. Larry's father has 5 kids.
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Come on.
Come on.
Larry's
It's
father.
fucking stressing me out, mate.
Oh, wow.
No, I don't know. I don't actually know. It's stressing me out. I'm going to throw this in a minute.
Where are you going to throw it?
Larry.
That fucking Larry, yeah.
He's going to throw it at Larry, who has a dad who's got 5 kids, and 4 of his brothers are named 10, 20, 30, 40. What's the name of the 5th child?
I don't know, mate. I don't fucking know.
Please.
Shall I tell him? Shall I
Please.
point him out his misery?
Please.
Shall I?
Yeah,
You,
go on,
you
tell
just
me.
need to
Got
get...
one more, come on.
No,
Larry's
One
father.
more.
Mate,
Larry's father.
just got all this kit in here.
Yeah, all these kits.
No, I don't know. I don't know, brother.
Point him out his misery, okay?
So if I tell you, the 5th kid is named Larry.
That's the answer.
Yeah.
Larry's
Shit, mate. What the shit? What the shit? That's stupid, mate.
This is the face of a silly boy.
He's like that blonde bird off of Facebook, isn't he?